Hi, are you ready to see my new listing? Okay, pull the curtain. This newly remodeled Golden Gem is nestled on a cul-de-sac in a highly sought-after neighborhood near the Cupertino and Los Altos borders. Just a short stroll to top-rated Cupertino schools, the gorgeous Sarah Park and Homestead Crossing Shopping Center for all of your coffee and grocery needs. It's also surrounded by major tech companies with easy access to Highway 280, 85, and just minutes from downtown Sunnyvale with your Caltrain connection. Now let's fly inside. Inside, new luxury vinyl plank flooring is brightened by fresh interior paint, while dual-pane windows and multiple skylights fill the home with natural light. And the step-down family room offers extra space to relax or entertain. The dining area leads you to this newly remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and plenty of cabinet space. The electrical panel updated up to 200 amps. All these work with permits. Down the hall are 4 comfy bedrooms, each with its own closet, along with a whole bathroom with dual sinks and shower tub combo. Additionally, the primary bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and stove shower, as well as an entry to the sun-drenched backyard, which has been newly landscaped and shows off a variety of plant life. That brings my tour to an end. I'm Renna Shee, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings, and I will see you this weekend. Bye now.